My name is PC. I'm part of the Spectrum Scale development team, and I focus primarily on big data and analytics workloads. My talk was in a couple of different parts. One was to explain the Spectrum Scale technology and how it integrates with Hadoop. Secondly was to highlight our partnership with Hortonworks, and Hortonworks is a very important Hadoop distribution in the enterprise space, and we have partnered with them to certify Spectrum Scale as a supported file system, and we wanted to convey that message to our customers. And the third big part of the talk was focused on actual use cases of customers using Hortonworks with Spectrum Scale to solve real business problems. It's a great question. We wanted to make sure that we made it as easy and painless as possible for both our partner Hortonworks, who is working with us to provide the solution, as well as for our customers who want to deploy this. And so the natural fit was to integrate Spectrum Scale with HDFS and to provide a easy-to-use, high-performance solution. And the way we do that is by replacing some small pieces of HDFS, but yet keeping the bulk of that HDFS technology, the HDFS client, still in place, so that both from the application perspectives and from the tools perspective, they think that they're using HDFS, but underneath the covers it's Spectrum Scale. And so you get both of the benefit of Hadoop applications, treating Spectrum Scale as the same HDFS file system, but yet be able to take advantage of all the things that Spectrum Scale has to offer, namely being able to run on various storage tiers, as well as use different protocols in with Spectrum Scale to create a complex analytics workflow. So be able to take ingest data using maybe NFS, process it through Hadoop using the HDFS protocol, and then publish results through maybe SMB. So as an example, we are working with an auto manufacturer to help them deal with autonomous driving, the challenges that come with autonomous cars. And one of the biggest challenges that they're facing right now is that each one of these cars has lots and lots of sensors on it, and it creates lots and lots of data. And that data needs to be ingested, it needs to be processed, it needs to be analyzed, the results and insights need to be saved and archived. And so how do we work with them for that? And so what we help them do is Spectrum Scale history is a high performance file system. And one of the biggest benefits that they immediately see is the ingest speed of being able to ingest all the sensor data goes up dramatically. So that reduces their time to processing tremendously. And so they can immediately start acting upon the data as it lands in Spectrum Scale, and they can analyze it through HDFS, they can condition it, they can label it, they can start processing it. And after that, they can also use it in a different way. Like Spectrum Scale supports HDFS, but it also is a POSIX compliant file system. So you can take an HPC application and run it and process that same sensor data and maybe put it through the driving simulator and see if their autonomous driving algorithms what would they have done, and if they would have reacted properly. If not, they can try to train them and improve the outcome. In fact, they can take it a step further and use machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence algorithms to train the simulator to even do better things and make better decisions.